Susanna, Roma, Kali. You give her characters and she turns them immortal. Obviously, I'm talking about Priyanka Chopra. Congratulations. Excited, obviously.
Yes, very excited, very happy, very grateful. Yes, all of them.
Also, the fact that no one has mentioned the old Agnipath now. It seems to have just washed away, and कि ये remake था और ये क्या होने वाला है. Everybody seems to have shut up and are gaping about Agnipath's fabulous direction and the acting that you guys have put in.
Well, I think अच्छी film बनी है more than anything else, and eventually I think अगर loopholes ऐसे होते जहाँ पे आपको कहानी समझ में नहीं आई है या characters समझ में नहीं आए, performances समझ में नहीं आए, तब ये सब बातें उठती हैं किसी film में. But if the film is good, it's providing you with entertainment, तो फिर आप क्यों खामियां ढूंढेंगे? I think that's eventually what has happened. The fact that people have just loved the film for what it is.
Very, very well said. Also, the fact that Kareena now is one of the top heroines who have the biggest grosser opening, but Agnipath has just beaten that. So another icing to your cake. How does that feel?
I don't follow other people's careers and feel happy about mine because their films are not doing well or they are doing well or whatever. I'm very grateful कि मुझे जैसी फिल्में मिली हैं और मेरी फिल्मों ने जैसा काम किया है. I'm very happy कि Dawn 2 and Agnipath within a month of each other have become such big hits, and I'll be happy with my happiness, and that's enough, I think.
अग्निपथ तो खैर बहुत बड़ी सक्सेस हो ही गई है, पर उसके अलावा बर्फी आने वाली है, which people are all very excited about. Krish is going to come with Hrithik. So a little about this character. Everybody is very curious what you are going to be now. Everybody seems to go on a different level with Krish. What's going to happen to your character in Krish now?
Well, Krish will obviously pick up from where we left it. The story, like how it happens in sequels, like how it happened in Dawn 2 as well. You pick up the story from 3-4 years later, and then now where all the central characters are and where their lives have gone. And it's too early for me to talk about where my character is. But I was a journalist in the previous film, if you remember, so I'll be doing what you're doing in this one as well. And that's all I can really say about Krish 3 right now, because we're just starting shooting now in February. And so it'll be another 6 months till we'll be doing Krish. Well, the thing with Barfi is that it's actually a funny film. It's actually a fun... When you see the promo, you'll realize it's a comedy kind of movie with this guy, which Ranbir's character is playing, who's deaf and mute. And he's just this funny, fun-loving, chor chakka type of guy. And there's my character, and I play an autistic girl, and how their lives kind of collide. And there's Ileana's character, of course, which also comes in the middle of all this. So it's a really fun film about these 3 very interesting characters. So for me, it's a very difficult film. So yes, when you have heard rumors about the fact that I may have been in my own space, it probably was true, because it takes a lot of time to kind of become autistic, kind of convince myself that I can do it or make it look as real as possible. So yes, it has been one of my most difficult films, but because I was shooting that film along with Kunal Kohli's film, I think it kind of balanced out because I was playing completely normal girls over there.
Fair enough. Priyanka, supposedly Karan's favorite lucky charm has been Kajol. You seem to be getting there, Dostana, now with Agnipath. Soon going to be Karan's new lucky charm girl, I guess.
I don't know. I don't think so. From Miami to Mandwa, 3-4 साल लग गए थे. लेकिन I can't say anything about Dharma. It's lovely to work with Dharma. It's great to work with Karan because he's a filmmaker who, thinks out of the box and gives opportunities to new people and lets them make films like Agnipath. I think Karan Malhotra has outdone himself in the way he's directed this film. So whatever comes next.
Fair enough. You have been nominated for a lot of awards. For Saath Khoon Maaf, obviously with brilliant performance that you've given there. But I would like to know, what does Priyanka Chopra think of awards? How much of faith and how credible do you think awards today are?
I don't know if it's fair for me to speak about credibility of awards or not, because when I go out there and I get an award, I feel happy. So it'll be wrong if I say I don't think they're credible, even if they are or they are not. So when you get an award, you feel great about it. When you don't get an award, then you just think about the fact that maybe you were not undeniable. And I would still like to believe in the credibility of awards. I would still like to believe that, you get awards unanimously when you're tremendously good. And उससे ज़्यादा आगे पीछे सोचने का वक्त नहीं है और सोचना भी नहीं चाहिए, I think, honestly.
अवार्ड मिल गया तो सही है. बिल्कुल. Now that you've done all the roles, Priyanka, any role that is left that you really want to do, or any particular character जैसे देख के लगता है कि अभी भी chances है कि कुछ different कर सकती हूँ मैं?
I don't think I've played all the roles. मैं अपनी हर फिल्म के रोल को अलग करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि सारे रोल्स प्ले करती है. I think दुनिया में बिलियंस ऑफ पीपल रहते हैं और सब एक दूसरे से अलग हैं. और आप सिर्फ 30 फिल्मों में या 25 फिल्म में you can't say you played everyone. There is so many different people that you can play and I think बहुत सारे ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स हैं जो मुझे अभी प्ले करने हैं. मैं आपको प्ले कर सकती हूँ, उनको प्ले कर सकती हूँ, कुछ भी.
Yeah, I wish I could say I could play Priyanka Chopra. Quite impossible for me to say that. But thank you, Priyanka. And like she said, बहुत सारे characters बाकी है and you'll see a lot more of her with Rudrani Chottraj and cameraman Kailash Zoom.